Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Drawing through AutoCAD Software. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given engineering problem in AutoCAD Software. This is the given problem. A rectangular plane of sides 50 mm and 30 mm is perpendicular to both HP and VP. The longer edges are parallel to the HP and nearest one is 20 mm above it. The shorter edge near to VP is 15 mm in front of VP, 15 mm from it. Draw its projections. Dear students, first we need to identify the given plane. Here the given plane is rectangular plane. These sides are length is 50 mm, width is 30 mm. This plane is perpendicular to both HP and VP. That means this surface should be parallel to profile plane. So we can see the true shape only in the side view. So first we need to draw the true shape in the side view. That is A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash with the given dimensions length 50 mm, width 30 mm. This rectangular plane longer edge 20 mm above it, 20 mm above HP, and shorter edge, that means 30 mm edge is 15 and in front of VP. Then we need to draw the projections for this problem. In the front view, it is appear like one vertical line, that is shorter length, that is 30 mm visible in the front view. In the top view, this longer edge AB edge is visible in the top view. So we need to draw this solution in new drawing sheet. First open new drawing sheet and draw the XY line, and XY line is only for front view and top view. You know that above XY line you can draw the front view, below XY line you can draw the top view in first angle projection. For side view, we need to take one more reference line, that is x1 y1, that should be perpendicular to xy line. So by using line command L enter, draw the xy line. Here I'm taking the line length is 120. That is based upon the given dimensions. So normally just I'm taking the length of xy is 120. You can take your dimension, don't, no problem. If the line is axis, you can, after the solution you can reduce that xy line length. Here I'm taking only 120 mm line. Then draw the x1 y1 line exactly midpoint of this line, above 60 mm and below 60 mm. First we need to draw the true shape for this for the given problem, that is a rectangle, that is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So first we need to identify that location by using line command L enter. From this point 20 mm above 20 enter, 15 mm in front 15 enter. Okay, at this position, at this location, we need to draw the rectangle plane with a given dimension, that is 50 mm length, 30 mm width. Take rectangle command REC enter. From this point, this is the specify first corner point. Then choose dimensions D enter. Length is 50, 50 enter. Width is 30, 30 enter. Okay, next you can give the notations by using text command T enter. This is the starting point, so I'm giving A double dash. This is the A double dash. Then this is the B double dash. Side view you can represent with a double dash. This is the C double dash. Then this is the D double dash. Okay, after this, draw the projector lines from each and every corner point to front view and top view. So when the observer seeing from this side in the front view, uh, this is appear like one vertical line. In the top view also it is appear like one horizontal line. So you can draw that shapes in the front view and top view of the solution. So you can extend this xy. Uh, you can also give the notations. This is the small x and other end is small y. This is the x1, x1, one is subscript. Next bottom one is y1, y1. Next, you can project this front view top view on x1 y1. So both are x1 y1 and front view top views are overlapping, so that's why I'm taking 10 mm parallel to x1 y1, that is towards left side of this x1 y1. So I'm taking offset command O enter. The offset distance I'm taking 10 mm 10 enter, that is parallel to this x1 y1 towards left side. Here also towards left side. Now draw the projectors up to this new projection line. Take line command L enter. From this A double dash point draw the horizontal projector up to this new vertical line. Next also from this D double dash. Next also from D double dash to x1 xy line. Next from C double dash up to xy. Now rotate these projectors up to x1 y1 by using R command A enter, C enter. This is the origin point or intersection of horizontal plane and vertical plane. From this point take this radius, first radius, draw the arc up to x1 y1. Here in AutoCAD software, R command gives it takes counterclockwise direction. For clockwise direction, hold control button. Hold control button. Draw the arc up to x1 y1. Now repeat the same command. A enter, C enter. Now space center point. Now start point of arc is this one. Second projector line. Now draw the arc up to x1 y1. You can also extend this. Okay, you can move this y here to here and also extend. Yes. Now here now draw the horizontal line up to this new vertical line. Yes. Now trim this axis line by using trim command TR double enter. Now give the notations when the observer watching from this side, B double dash C double dash, this edge visible, and back side behind edge, that is A double dash D double dash invisible. So you can represent this by using text command T enter. This name is B visible, A invisible. So B dash of A dash, this is the front view. So that's why you can represent with B dash of A dash is visible. Next C visible, D invisible. So you can represent this name is C dash of D dash. You can also move towards left side. Yes. Next one, you can draw one horizontal line from this first arc up to this new vertical line. When the observer watching from top side, AB edge visible, CD edge invisible. So you can represent with this is the A of D. T enter. This is the A of D. You can also move. Next one, B visible, C invisible. So you can write B of C by using text command. This is the B of C. Okay, finally you need to highlight the final views. Here the you can break this one, BR enter, select this line, first F enter. This is my first point, second breakpoint. So you can separate this front view from the new vertical line by using break command. BR enter, select this line, first point F enter. This is my first point. This is my breakpoint, first breakpoint, and also that is the second breakpoint. Now this final top view and front view separated from the that vertical line. Also select this side view. Go to the properties toolbar, choose 0.30 mm thickness. Okay, this is the final solution for the given problem. Oh, this is also okay. You can extend this line up to this one. Yes, this is the final solution for the given problem. Rectangular plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. That means that surface should be parallel to profile plane. Okay, this is the solution for the. You can also give the dimension for this solution by using DLI, linear dimension, DLI enter. This is the in front distance 15 mm. Next rectangle longer edge length is 50 mm. Next this rectangle plane 20 mm above HP, and this width is 30 mm. Okay, this is the final solution for the given problem. I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.